Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on Gmail, we click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you can search about Gmail, and you can click here. Then you can click on First Stop, and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to Storage. Then you can click Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.